Momentum continues to build in 2024. We thank our community business partners who bridge our students' learning to the real world. It helps students cast vision into what they might become professionally after Minnetonka High School. The Walser Automotive team of Nancy, Mirza, Efron, and Lindsay have provided students with unprecedented access to their facilities where they highlight our learning objectives in new and creative ways.
What are they seeing? What is their vantage point? And that's fun for us because we get stuck in the weeds. We're in the day-to-day, and for us to step out of the forest and look at the actual trees, it's helpful for us. It really is a fresh, unique experience.
Carlene, Caroline, Blake, and Derek from Luther Automotive have offered our Momentum students tremendous real-world educational opportunities. Students explored the transportation industry at Luther Hopkins Honda, the Automotive Performance Studio, and their Technical Training Center. Thanks to Luther and Walser professionals for this tremendous opportunity for our students.
It exposes them to things they may not have known even were an option. I know when I started in the industry, I had no idea what the career path looked like and that sort of stuff. It was just a part-time job that morphed into something. We're trying to be really intentional about making it a career path.
Abby and a team from Minnesota Asphalt Pavers Association, along with Brent and his team at Valley Paving, worked extensively with our Momentum Physics and Math and Home Renovation students in a pioneering project-based student learning initiative. Momentum students participated in a bidding challenge where they determined funding for the hypothetical paving of Minnetonka Middle School West and presented their findings at the council chambers of the city of Minnetonka.
You know, we could really do this with the high schoolers, especially in the math side of things, and explain to them why they need to know these types of things, why they need to know algebra and geometry. What the exciting part was is that the kids were like, wow, I thought I knew this, but I didn't know it as good as I should, so I need to go back and take some more math classes before going to college.
Sort of make a connection with the student. You know, so many of the resources in our school district are directed towards college-bound kids, and that's just not every kid. And so, you know, when you find someone who speaks that language and, you know, you feel like you're helping them get on the right path, that's exciting.
The first year of Minnetonka Momentum Aviation was amazing. Thanks to Adam and Carl at Aloft Aviation, they helped over 150 MHS students fly discovery flights out of Air Lake Airport. Our students worked with a certified flight instructor, explored avionics, airport management, mechanics, and got their hands on the controls of an airplane.
You get see a great big grin, and it doesn't matter if they're 16 or 86. You know, when they get out of the aircraft, they typically have a big smile on their face, and they really enjoyed themselves.
Young adults are going to get that experience 4 years before I got it, and it'll get them a good jump start, and all they'll be thinking about during classes, are they going to fly today, or what their flight plan is going to be all about.
Thanks again to all of the industry professionals who help our Momentum students fly above and beyond.